Hello my friends, this is Nessie, and today in this video I'm going to review the OLSP system, how you can make money with OLSP system, and let's cover everything up for you. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button. If you have any questions after this video, please leave them under this video in the description, in the comments section. And let's start with the OLSP. Okay, OLSP is affiliate marketing system where you can make money. Of course, this is our purpose, to make money online. So this is a complete training, and you have products and you have a lot of trainings inside your back office. Okay, so this is how you can make money with the system. Okay, so when you join the platform, you can go from step 1 to step 3. Okay, now the owner of OLSP is Wayne. He launched OLSP system back in 2018. So we're talking about 6 years old business. And basically, you can start this business with one-time $7. Okay, one-time $7 out of pocket, no monthly fee. And you can see how many trainings you have inside your back office. These are your free trainings, okay? And how I made. So what you need to do once you join, I will leave the link to the system under this video. If you want to join me, I will help you to get started. I will leave also my Facebook details under this video, so you can get free training from me, and I will help you and give you a lot of tips that will help you to make faster money online. Okay, so once you join the platform, you go to step 1, you watch all the videos inside, step 2, step 3, and you watch all the videos inside those steps. Okay, this is what you need to do in the beginning. Then if you purchase the mega link, which is only one-time $7, this is the basic product, and you get the link. Okay, you get the mega link and you can promote it. You can send traffic to the link, and you can make referrals and leads, and then you start to make money with the platform. All right, so very simple, very easy. Even if you are not a techie guy, or you are not technical guy, it's very simple. You can make money with this platform. I've seen people who it's the first time they start promoting anything online, and they are making nice commissions daily. Okay, so if you are not even if you are not a technical guy, technical person, you can still benefit from this system. Okay, so once you purchase the mega link, you have all the trainings that you can. I'm not going to cover all of them because I don't want to make this video too long, but you go through this all the trainings over here, and on the left hand side you have the dashboard, and you can see the commissions breakdown. If I go here, and here, these are your leads. Okay, leads and customers. Customers are people who already purchased one product from OLSP, and they are your customer. And your leads, it's people that joined the platform but still didn't upgrade. Okay, but the best part is that your leads is like your email list, so you can mail them, you can email them, and you can email them, and you can convince them to join you and to upgrade, and you will start making money. Because this is the best part. You can see, if I click on discover more, see how many products you can earn, see how many income streams you can earn from all these products. If you purchase the mega link, which is this link over here, you can get paid. If any one of your leads, your customers, buying one of these leads, you will make money. Okay, from the $7. Okay, so and there are 2 products that you get 100% commission. Okay, if someone is buying the mega link or the magic link, you get 100% referral commission. Okay, and on the other products, this platform can also provide you residual, passive income, because the other products are products that they have monthly fee, recurrent fee, recurrent membership. So if people are buying those products from you, you are getting passive income. You are getting recurrent commissions every month. That's the best part. Okay, so and the good part about OLSP is that once you have a lead, once you got lead in the system, the system is sending them, the system does the follow-up for you. So your leads are getting emails about the system, and they get invitations to the webinars. So this is the part that I love about OLSP, because your referrals, of course, it's also recommended to do the follow up after your leads by yourself, but the system also is doing the follow up for you, and also invite them to the webinars. And you can see, you can join the webinars. There's a huge community in OLSP, and you can there are a lot of Wayne is the CEO, and he's doing Facebook Live every few days, and there are a lot of webinars, so you get a lot of information about affiliate marketing. It's really like an academy. Okay, so if you want to start an online business with $7, you can grab my link and join me, and I will leave my Facebook details, and I will help you to make money online with this platform. You can see I have $120 commissions in my commissions, and you can see over here 547 commission have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. Okay, so this is the great stuff, because you can start a business with $7, and you can get paid on all of the products. Of course, there are, if you want to earn from tier 2, so you need to purchase another product. But from tier 1, you are getting paid on all products. You are getting paid on all products, and remember, we started with only $7. The mega link is $7, and this is the link. And the good part of it, the advantage of it, that it also builds your list. So you can easily convince people to join you, and you will start making money with this platform. If you have any questions, leave them under this video. And one last thing, if one of your leads is buying traffic, not only you can get referral commissions from all these products, you can also, if one of your referrals, one of your leads is buying traffic, you are also you will get referrals. They say the OLSP system is also a solo ads vendor. So if one of your referrals is buying traffic, you are also getting paid. You are making commissions on the traffic that the OLSP sold him. Okay, so really nice platform, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.